There's certain steps that you have to take before you can hit your back step, plant, turn, throw, right? Same thing with the gun. As you're shooting, it's gonna be alignment, sight picture, and then breathing control. As you exhale, I want you to go, and in that pause at the bottom is when you're gonna have a nice clean trigger pull. There you go, that was real super clean trigger pull. Super clean, dude. Pull your trigger like that every time and you'll kill whatever you're pointing at. Ears are on, eyes are on. Yep, we're good to go.
Good.
Range is hot, yep. Nice. 2 for 2 is a report from the background. Said you got a half-inch group so far, don't ruin this shot. All right, first 2 are tight, no competition here.
He's going down.
The younger one missed on his 3rd shot, he felt the pressure. But you're the old vet, you're supposed to have this nailed.
He's not even gonna hit the target.
That was good, you're dead on height-wise. That's perfect, no movement in the trigger pull. Good pull.
Red.
Perfect. Your money. It's good stuff.